Welcome to our channel. If you are looking for the perfect way to enjoy the water this year, you have come to the right place. Today, we will be exploring the best inflatable kayaks 2025, designed to bring adventure, comfort, and convenience right to your fingertips. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced paddler, these kayaks offer something for everyone. All the product links are available in the description below, so you can easily find the one that suits your needs. Let us dive in and get started with the video. At number 5, the DriftSun Almanor Inflatable Kayak earns its spot with a perfect blend of speed, comfort, and durability. Designed specifically for touring and recreational use, this kayak features a long waterline that allows for smooth glides and efficient distance paddling. It performs best on flat water and mild ocean chop, making it ideal for calm lakes, bays, and coastal adventures. The hull is built with tough 600D polyester that offers UV protection and lasting performance, while 24-gauge air bladders add to its rugged design and safety. What really stands out are the EVA padded high-back seats, which provide excellent cushion and support for your back, making long journeys much more comfortable. The seats are also adjustable, allowing paddlers to find the most suitable position with ease. The full package includes 2 adjustable seats, 2 dual-blade paddles, a deluxe dual-action pump, a quick-release fin, 2 footrests, and a travel bag, offering great value for both beginners and experienced paddlers. The DriftSun Almanor measures 13 feet long and 39 inches wide, weighing just 33 pounds while supporting up to 400 pounds, enough for 2 adults and beer, or even a furry friend. With an inflation time of around 9 minutes and a stable pressure setup of 2 psi for the side tubes and 1 psi for the floor, this inflatable kayak is not only easy to set up, but also built to perform. At number 4, the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak stands out as a reliable and affordable choice for solo adventurers. Designed with a low profile and streamlined shape, it is ideal for calm lakes and gentle rivers, offering smooth paddling and easy maneuverability. Its construction features super strong enhanced molecular formulation PVC, giving it excellent strength and resistance against impacts and abrasions. This durable material ensures the kayak can withstand repeated use while maintaining its performance on the water. The cockpit is built for comfort and practicality. It includes a removable and adjustable seat, offering a spacious and supportive area that accommodates your legs and gear with ease. Whether you are heading out for a short trip or a full day on the water, the comfortable seating allows you to paddle without discomfort. Another key feature is the removable skeg located on the underside of the kayak. It helps maintain directional stability, making it easier to stay on course even in breezy or slightly choppy conditions. Weighing just 26 pounds, the Challenger is easy to transport and quick to set up. When fully inflated, it measures 9 feet in length and 2.6 feet in width, supporting up to 220 pounds, which is perfect for one adult and essential gear. At number 3, the Advanced Elements Inflatable Kayak combines superior stability, durability, and comfort to deliver an excellent experience for paddlers of all skill levels. Its wide beam design provides exceptional stability on the water, making it an ideal choice for beginners who need a steady ride, as well as experienced kayakers seeking reliable performance. Whether you are exploring calm lakes or mild rivers, this kayak's stability ensures confidence and control throughout your adventure. Built with rugged, multi-layered ripstop polyester and PVC tarpaulin, the Advanced Elements kayak is engineered to resist punctures and abrasions. This enhanced durability guarantees that the kayak will withstand the challenges of various water conditions, from rocky shores to sandy beaches, allowing for long-lasting use season after season. Despite its toughness, it remains lightweight and portable, weighing just 40 pounds. When folded, it compacts down to a convenient 30 by 17 by 10 inches, making storage and transport easy for any outdoor enthusiast. Comfort is a key feature in this kayak, as it is designed to accommodate paddlers up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. The seating position offers ample legroom and support, allowing you to enjoy extended paddling sessions without discomfort. Additionally, the Advanced Elements kayak boasts an impressive weight capacity of 300 pounds, meaning it can comfortably carry both you and your gear for a full day of exploration on the water.
At number 2, the Drift Sun Rover Inflatable Kayak offers exceptional versatility and performance for tandem paddlers. This two-person kayak features a front and rear rocker profile, which allows for smooth maneuvering and precise navigation through both calm waters and more challenging rough conditions. It inflates fully in just 6 minutes, making it quick and easy to get on the water. With a generous weight capacity of 600 pounds, it comfortably seats 2 adults along with gear, or even a child or a furry companion. Constructed from reinforced double-layered PVC, the Drift Sun Rover is designed to withstand obstacles often encountered in rough waterways. The high-pressure drop-stitch floor adds extra stability and rigidity, giving the kayak a sturdy feel that rivals many hardshell models. This kayak is truly adventure-ready, able to handle Class 3 and 4 rapids with speed, control, and confidence. It also comes equipped with 8 self-bailing ports to prevent water accumulation, multiple tie-down points for securing gear, and a front action camera mount to capture your outdoor adventures. The full package includes 2 adjustable EVA padded seats for ultimate comfort during long excursions, 2 adjustable aluminum kayak paddles, a double-action inflation hand pump, a removable tracking fin for improved directional control, and a spacious travel backpack to carry all your gear conveniently. Taking the number 1 spot is the Intex Explorer K2 inflatable kayak, a perfect choice for those seeking a lightweight, portable, and fun 2-person kayak. Designed for easy transport, the Explorer K2 inflates and deflates quickly thanks to its Boston valves, allowing you to spend more time on the water and less time setting up. The kayak's paddles conveniently come apart and store inside the included carrying bag, making it simple to bring along on any adventure, whether you are heading to a calm lake or a mild river. Built with rugged vinyl, this kayak combines durability with a streamlined design for efficient paddling. Its inflatable I-beam floor, low-profile deck, and high-buoyancy side chambers provide excellent stability, comfort, and performance on the water. The removable skeg further enhances directional control, helping you maintain a steady course. The bright yellow color with sporty graphics not only looks great, but also increases visibility, which is an important safety feature when you are out exploring. The Explorer K2 comfortably seats 2 people and supports up to 400 pounds, making it suitable for couples or friends looking to share the paddling experience. When fully inflated, it measures 10.3 feet in length, 3 feet wide, and 1.8 feet in height, providing enough space for both paddlers and gear. Included accessories make your outing hassle-free: 2 86-inch kayak paddles, 2 inflatable seats with backrests, heavy-duty grab handles with grab lines, 2 quick-fill Boston valves, a high output pump, and a repair patch.